I'm good. Josh, you good?
I'm not.
You record this guy, he looks cool. What's up, brother?
I like that, man.
You record this.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that horn
We're
at?
from a TV show, man, MTV.
Oh, really? Yeah, you can hear this, man.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Fine.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alex, you good? I got 3. Go ahead. I'm gonna wait till like ready.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Did you get that guy that jumped?
The blue guy, yeah.
Did you get him? Ready? Yeah. Ready? Yeah, go ahead.
That one's.
Yeah, I don't got it.
You got her.
Car again.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah. Ready? Yeah.
Aww. I love.
Go ahead, horn it again.
Yeah? You ready? Oh shit. It's like, where the hell did that come from? Hurry. Go ahead.
Here, go, go.
Go ahead. Do it.
What's up, bro? Was that funny? That's a loud horn, huh?
Good? Yeah. Shit,
Get him.
Are you good?
No.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah. What's up?
You guys like the horn?
What?
You guys like the horn?
Yeah, it's just.
Badass, huh?
What's up, brothers?
You alright, bro? Didn't mean to hurt ya.
You good? Yeah.
Lose him, so go.
Go?
Yeah.
Oh my god, did you get the old ladies?
Yeah.
Go ahead, I got a good shot.
Yeah, you can go in your
Okay. Yeah.
That kid saying holy shit.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, you can hear this, man.